Hi all, welcome to Jamso Art Class. Today we are going to make snake. Snake, S-N-A-K-E, snake. To make a snake, we need to make an oval, but don't finish the line. Make two X-like oval shape, and then eyes, small, and fill the color, black color. And now snake should smile. Let's make him smiling. And now his neck and the body. So make curve and then straight. Make a line, another line. Looks like semicircle. And we should make his tail. Fine. Now his tongue. And now we will be making small circles. Cool. Okay guys, and we'll see you in the next session. So keep watching Jamso Art Class. Please do like, subscribe and share this channel. See you. Bye bye.